Hello, beta. Let us go ahead and take some practice questions today. The topic for the day is law of variable proportion. Beta, look at the first question. क्या कहता है ये? The law of variable proportion states that as more units of variable factor are added to fixed factor, which of the following is likely to happen in the short run? एक बारी खुद से करके देखो. Total output increases continuously. Marginal product of variable factor increases then declines. Marginal product of variable factor remains constant. Total output and marginal product both increase indefinitely. Read the question, beta. The law of variable proportion. क्या बोलता है variable proportion? That as we increase the variable factor, जैसे जैसे हम variable input को increase करते हैं, जो वो additional output produce करता है, additional output, it is less and less. जो additional output produce होता है वो कम होता जाता है ना. As the input increases, the extra output that is produced is decreasing. अगर मुझे लॉ ऑफ वेरिएबल प्रोपोर्शन के लिए मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट का डायग्राम बनाना होगा तो मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट एक्चुअली ऐसा दिखेगा, मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट ऑफ लेबर. सो एक्चुअली इनिशियली मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट विल गो अहेड एंड विल इंक्रीज एंड देन मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट विल डिक्रीज. तो इस हिसाब से व्हाट डू यू थिंक बेटा, व्हाट शुड बी द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन? ट्राई टू आंसर दिस वन. द आंसर विल बी बी. आंसर विल बी बी. सो मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट of the factor initially increases then declines. Padho beta. According to law of variable proportion in short run, as additional unit of variable factor are added, marginal product first increases, पहले increase करता है, and then eventually it starts declining. ठीक है? Come to the next question beta. Try to do this next question. In which phase of law of variable proportion does the total product increases at diminishing rate and marginal product becomes positive but starts declining? तो एक बार इसका हम ग्राफ we will try to plot this. क्या बोल रहे हैं? Total product increases at diminishes rate. So this is my total product. Beta, when total product is maximum, marginal product is 0. ठीक है? When total product is increasing at increasing rate, जब ये increasing rate से increase हो रहा है, marginal product is increasing. When total product is increasing at decreasing rate, marginal product is decreasing. When total product decreases, marginal product decreases. ये हो गया हमारा ग्राफ. So we can say phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. ठीक है? So देखो ध्यान से. This is not increasing returns for sure beta. Increasing returns तो नहीं है, but this is diminishing returns, है ना? Negative returns भी नहीं है, देखो negative returns भी नहीं है. It is diminishing returns. So we can say it is diminishing returns, right? So second phase. In the second phase, the law of variable proportion, total product continues to increase, but at decreasing rate, marginal product is positive, starts to decline as more units of variable factors are added. ठीक है? Okay, beta, come to the third question. ये करो. At what stage of variable proportion marginal product of variable becomes negative, total product starts to decline? Marginal product कब negative हो जाता है और total product decline करना शुरू हो जाता है? So अगर मैं इस diagram पे वापस आऊं, if I come back to this diagram, तो बेटा can we see here? देखो यहाँ पे जरा total product decline कर रहा है और marginal product negative है. But this is called as the phase of negative returns. इसको हम क्या बोल देते हैं? It's called as the phase of negative returns. So answer will be C. Phase of negative returns. ठीक है? Okay, बेटा. देखो ध्यान से. In the third stage, adding more units of variable input leads to decline in total product and marginal product becomes negative. इसको बोल देते हैं हम phase of negative returns. Next question, बेटा. In the context of law of variable proportion, which of the following best explains reason for diminishing returns in the short run? किस वजह से diminishing returns होते हैं शॉर्ट रन में डिमिनिशिंग रिटर्न्स हो रहे हैं क्योंकि आप उसी रिसोर्स को ओवर यूटिलाइज कर रहे हो, आपके पास लिमिटेड कैपिटल है, उस पर आप और लेबर 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 इम्पोज करे जा रहे हो, सो बिकॉज ऑफ मैंने बहुत सारा लेबर, तो अल्टीमेटली क्या होगा, लेबर का डिमिनिशिंग रिटर्न विल स्टार्ट. सो व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन बेटा? द आंसर विल बी B. There is inefficiency of labor because जिस फैक्टर पे वो काम कर रहा है on the capital is fixed. So inefficiency of labor due to fixed factor, diminishing return occurred because fixed factor becomes overused and adding more variable input leads to inefficiency. तो बेटा हमें inefficiency क्यों हो रहा है? Why we have inefficiency? Because capital is fixed. Capital fixed है. And we are overusing the labor. Labor को हम ज्यादा use कर रहे हैं on this limited amount of capital. Last question for the day, beta. Which of the following relationship between marginal product and total product is observed in second phase of law of variable proportion? Second phase. So second phase of law of variable proportion is what, beta? This phase. Second phase of law of variable proportion. ठीक है? Look at the options, beta. Marginal product is 0 when total product is maximum. Marginal product is negative. Marginal product is increasing. Marginal product is positive. तो क्या लगता है इसमें से क्या आंसर होगा? The answer will be D. Marginal product is positive, but total product बढ़ तो रहा है, but it is increasing at a diminishing rate. It is increasing at a diminishing rate, and that is the second phase of law of variable proportion. ठीक है बेटा, we will have similar practice questions every day in the future also, and I hope to see you in these practice classes. Thank you, beta.